Hello everyone, myself Dr. Anuradha Sharma, and today we are back with a new part of NEET Express series of biology. This series contains multiple questions from the entire syllabus, and this series will be important for your NEET 2021 and 2023. So first of all, we should know what there are 7 steps to success. First, make a commitment to grow daily. Second, value the process more than events. Third, don't wait for the inspiration. Fourth, be willing to sacrifice pressure for opportunity. Fifth, dream big. Sixth, plan your priorities. And last is give up to go up. These are the 7 steps of success, and if we want to succeed in life we should follow these steps. So with this we will like to start the series with the first question. First question is, menstruation results in discharge of first the corpus luteum of the uterus, second surface cells from vagina, third blood from the outer surface of the uterus, and fourth is endometrial lining. Now we know that menstrual is the flow of blood, that is discharge of blood from the uterus. So it is because of this breakdown of this endometrial lining. This endometrial lining, it breaks, and further there is discharge of the blood and cells from the uterus. And if there is pregnancy, then there will be no discharge because this endometrial lining will not break, and it will help in the development of the fetus. So in menstrual cycle, this endometrium is shed from the uterus through cervix and vagina. And this menstrual cycle, it has different phase like follicular phase, ovulation phase, menstrual phase, and this menstrual cycle is of 28 days. So this menstrual cycle is the breakdown of this endometrial lining. Second question is, connecting link between glycolysis and Krebs cycle is, or before entering the Krebs cycle, pyruvate is changed to oxaloacetate, PEP. Third is pyruvate. Fourth is acetyl coenzyme A. Now we know that glycolysis, the end product of glycolysis is pyruvate, and it enters the mitochondria and it is oxidatively decarboxylated to acetyl coenzyme A before it enters the Krebs cycle. So this acetyl coenzyme A, it works as the connecting link between the glycolysis and Krebs cycle. So acetyl coenzyme A is the correct answer. Next question is, radial symmetry is found in the flowers of first Brassicaceae, Trifolium, Pisum, and Cassia. Now we know that the flowers of Brassicaceae, they are radially symmetrical, whereas flowers of Trifolium, Pisum, and Cassia are zygomorphic flowers. So first option is the correct answer. Next question is, banana fruits are seedless because first, auxins are sprayed for rapid development of fruit. Second, vegetative propagation of plant. Third, they are triploid plants. And fourth, fruits are artificially ripened. Now we know that these banana fruits, banana varieties, they are triploid, and triploidy is associated with the seedliness. So this banana fruit is the triploid plant. Next question is, given below is the diagram of the stomatal apparatus in which the following all the parts are labeled from A to D and they are correctly identified. First, we have to identify the part which is correctly matched with the diagram. So we have 4 options, and looking at the 4 options, we can see that D option is the correct answer. That is, the it is the epidermal, and B is subsidiary cells. This C is the stomatal apparatus, and D is the guard cell. So option D is the correct answer. That is, A is epidermal cell, B is subsidiary cell, C is stomatal apparatus, and D is the guard cell. Next question is, embryo sac is to ovule as dash is to another. The options are stamen, filament, pollen grain, and androecium. Now we know that this pollen grain, it represents the male gametophyte. Now, as these anthers mature and dehydrate, the microspores, they dissociate from each other and they develop into the pollen grain. So, embryo sac is to ovule as pollen grain is to anther. So, pollen grain is the correct answer. Next question is, analogous structures are a result of first, shared ancestry, second, stabilizing selection, third, divergent evolution, and fourth is convergent evolution. Now we know that organs which have similar structures but different in their structural details and origin, they are known as homologous organs. These homologous structures are a result of the convergent evolution. So D is the correct answer. Next question is, the term ecosystem was coined by E. Haeckel, E. Worming, E. P. Odum, and A. G. Tinsley. We know that the term ecosystem was coined by A. G. Tinsley in 1935. The lock and key model of enzyme action illustrates that a particular enzyme molecule first may be destroyed and resynthesized several times, second interacts with a specific type of substrate molecule, third reacts at identical rates under all conditions, and fourth forms a permanent enzyme substrate complex. Now, first of all, we should understand what is this lock and key model of enzyme action. This lock and key model of enzyme action, it represents a particular, it illustrates that a particular enzyme molecule, it forms a particular lock, and this particular lock can be opened by a particular key. So this enzyme and substrate represents a lock and key, and this is known as lock and key hypothesis. Next question is, blood of perithema is blue with hemocyanin in corpuscles, second blue with hemocyanin in plasma, red with hemoglobin in corpuscles, and next is red with hemoglobin in plasma. Now we know that circulatory system or this blood vascular system of earthworm is a closed type of system which consists of blood vessels and capillaries. And blood is composed of fluid plasma and colorless corpuscles, physiologically comparable to the leukocytes of the vertebrates. The red pigment or red respiratory pigment, which is known as hemoglobin, it occurs dissolved in plasma and it gives red color to the blood, and it aids in the transportation of oxygen for respiration. So D is the correct answer. Next question is, which one of the following is correct? First, serum is equal to blood plus fibrinogen, lymph is equal to plasma plus RBCs plus WBCs. Third is blood is equal to plasma plus RBCs plus WBCs. And last is plasma is equal to blood minus lymphocytes. We know that blood consists of plasma, RBCs, WBCs, and platelet. So option C is the correct answer, that blood consists of plasma, RBCs, red blood cells, and white blood cells. Next question is, cytokinin are known to first inhibit cytoplasmic movement, second help in retention of chlorophyll, third influence water movement, fourth promote abscission layer formation. Now we know that these cytokinins, they help in retention of chlorophyll. Less chlorophyll and degeneration of proteins are two important symptoms of this senescence. Now these cytokinins, what they do, they delay these processes and thus senescence is also delayed. This effect of cytokinin is known as Richmond-Lang effect. So B option is the correct answer. Next question is, the sum total of chemical reactions occurring in a body is called metabolism, homeostasis, irritability, or catabolism. Now we know that sum total of chemical reactions which occur in a body is known as metabolism, and it is of two types. First is anabolism and second is catabolism. These are the two types of metabolism. Next question is, which one of the following condition in human is correctly matched with its chromosomal abnormality or linkage? Klinefelter syndrome, 44 autosomes plus XXY. Color blindness is linked with Y-linked. Erythroblastosis petosis is X-linked. Down syndrome with 44 autosomes plus XO. Now we know that this Klinefelter syndrome, it is a genetic disorder and it affects men in which individual gains an extra X chromosome so that the usual karyotype of XY is replaced by double XY, that is XXY. Now the symptoms of Klinefelter syndrome is named after H.P. Klinefelter and it includes like female characteristic like such as breast enlargement and all these. So the corresponding genotype will be AABB. So this is Klinefelter syndrome is the correct answer. Which one of the following bacteria has found extensive use in genetic engineering work in plants? Clostridium septicum, Xanthomonas citri, Bacillus coagulant, and Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Now we know that Agrobacterium tumefaciens has been extensively used in genetic engineering experiment. It is the causative agent of crown gall disease, which is important disease in many commercial crops. And this disease has been recognized in recent years as being caused by the DNA plasmid, that is TI plasmid, which is carried out bacterium and transferred to plant cells. So this Agrobacterium tumefaciens, it is widely used bacteria in genetic engineering. Next question is, mitotic spindle is mainly composed of which protein? Actin, myosin, actomyosin, and myoglobin. Now we know that a spindle of fine fibrils, it begins to develop during the prophase. It consists of microtubules, which are made up of protein, which are known as tubulin, and certain other proteins. Now these delicate fibers, they radiate from the centriole and constitutes the aster. Now, as actin and myosin are involved in contractile machinery in many non-muscle cells, so it can be considered as the correct answer. And this myoglobin is present in muscles which can bind to oxygen. So actomyosin is the correct answer. Next question is, what is the name of the joint between the ribs and sternum? Cartilaginous joint, angular joint, gliding joint, and last is fibrous joint. Now we know that cartilaginous joint is present between the ribs and sternum and it allows only limited movement. An angular joint, it allows movement in two directions, side to side and back to forth. Wrist and metapharyngeal joints are of this type. Gliding joint, it permits sliding movements of two bones over each other. Fibrous joints, they do not allow the movement and are present between the bones of the cranium. So cartilaginous joint is the correct answer. Next question is, which enzyme will be produced in a cell in which there is nonsense mutation in the LAC5 gene? First is lactose permease. Second is trans-acetylase. Third is lactose permease and trans-acetylase. And fourth is beta-galactosidase. Now we know that a nonsense mutation is one in which there is no polypeptide synthesis and it occurs due to the formation of terminating or nonsense codon. The lactose or lac operon of E. coli, it contains structural gene that is Y, Z and A. And if Y codes for termination of polypeptide chain, then the product of Z gene transcribed to form beta-galactosidase. So D option is the correct answer. Next question is, natality refers to death rate, birth rate, number of individuals leaving the habitat, and last is number of individuals entering a habitat. Now this natality, it refers to the number of births during a given period in a population that are added to initial density. Death rate is also known as mortality and it is the number of deaths in a population during a given period of time. Immigration is the number of individuals entering a habitat, while immigration is the number of individuals or population that is leaving the habitat. So B is the correct answer, that is birth rate. Next question is, which of the following is used to determine the rate of transpiration in plants? First is porometer or hygrometer. Second option is potometer. Third is oxanometer, and fourth is tensiometer or barometer. We know that this potometer, it is an instrument which is used to determine the rate of transpiration in plants. So potometer is used to measure the rate of transpiration in plants. Next question is, the figure below shows 3 steps A, B, and C of polymerase chain reaction. Select the option giving correct identification together with what it represents. First option is B, represents denaturation at a temperature of about 98 degrees centigrade, separating two DNA strands. Second, A, denaturation at temperature of about 50 degrees centigrade. Third is extension in presence of heat stable DNA polymerase. And last is A, annealing with 2 sets of primer. Now, first of all, we can see that this diagram is of PCR, that is polymerase chain reaction. And this technique is used for replicating the DNA so that we can get multiple copies of the DNA. It is used in various medical and biological research to check the various hereditary disease, to identify genetic fingerprints, etc. Now the correct steps in the above figure is, first A shows the denaturation of temperature of about 94 to 98 degrees centigrade. Now during this, the denaturation, the double strand melts to form single-stranded DNA. And B, it represents annealing, that is binding of the DNA primer to these separated strands. C is the extension or elongation of the strand using the enzyme DNA polymerase and DNA primers. So C step, that is extension in presence of heat stable DNA polymerase, is the correct answer. Next question is, the two polypeptides of human insulin are linked together by covalent bond, disulfide bridges, hydrogen bonds, and phosphodiester bond. We know that human insulin, it is made up of 51 amino acids, and they are arranged in two polypeptide chain. Chain A has 21 amino acid and chain B has 30 amino acid. The two polypeptide chains are interconnected by disulfide bridges or SS linkages. So option B is the correct answer. Next question is, withdrawal of which of the following hormone is the immediate cause of menstruation? Progesterone, estrogen, FSH, or FSH-LH. Now we know that menstrual cycle, it consists of 3 phases. First is proliferative phase, second is secretory phase, and third is menstrual phase. Now during the menstruation, the production of LH, that is luteinizing hormone, is considerably reduced. The withdrawal of this hormone causes the degeneration of corpus luteum, and therefore the production of progesterone hormone is reduced. The endometrium degenerates and breakdown, and thus menstruation begins. So the correct answer is progesterone. Next question is, action of vaginal diaphragm is first to prevent the ova to come in the uterus, second to prevent the sperm to come in contact with ova, third is spermicidal, fourth is anti-implantation. Now we know that spring in the rim of diaphragm, it forms a seal against the vaginal walls. And this diaphragm, it covers the cervix and physically prevents the sperm from entering the uterus. So option B, that is prevent the sperm to come in contact with the ova, is the correct answer. Next question is, 3 codons causing chain termination are. Now we know that these termination codons are the stop signals which are used to stop the polypeptide synthesis. And they are 3, that is UAA, UGA, and UAG. UAA is also known as occur, UAG is amber, and UGA is opal. And these are the sequences of bases on the DNA. Thymine is not present on the RNA. So option D is the correct answer. Next question is, which of the following is not a sexually transmitted disease? Trichomoniasis, elephantiasis, syphilis, or AIDS? Elephantiasis, we know it is inflammation of the brain, and there are several causes, but most of them are viral infection. Elephantiasis often cause mild flu-like signs and symptoms such as fever or headache. So elephantiasis is the correct answer. Next question is, identify the components labeled A, B, C, D in the diagram along with the options. So these components are cristae of mitochondria, inner membrane, cytoplasm, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondrial matrix, cell vacuole, and nucleus. So looking at the diagram, we can see that option A is the correct answer. That is, A matches with fifth, B matches with fourth, C matches with eighth, and D matches with third. So that is A is rough endoplasmic reticulum, B is smooth endoplasmic reticulum, C is nucleus, and D is cytoplasm. So option A is the correct answer. Next question is, earthworm possess hearts, that is 6 pairs, 4 pairs, 2 pairs, and 1 pair. Now we know that in earthworm there are different segments, and each segment of 7, 9, 12, 13 is found in pair of large, thick, muscular, and contractile vertical vessels which are known as hearts. They pump blood from the dorsal to ventral vessel while flow in opposite direction and is prevented by internal wall. Hearts of 7th and 9th segments, they connect dorsal and ventral vessels and are known as lateral hearts. Those of 12th and 13th segment, they connect with dorsal and supraosopharyngeal vessels with ventral vessel and designated as lateroosopharyngeal hearts. So these are found in 4 pairs. Next question is, the transgenic animal are those which have first foreign RNA in all its cell, foreign DNA in some of its cell, foreign DNA in all its cell, and last option is both A and B. Now, what is transgenic animal? Transgenic animal or organism is one that has been transformed following the introduction of the new genes or novel genes into the genome. And it is mostly done with the help of DNA cloning, where the sequences of DNA are cloned and injected into the fertilized egg. So in this, the foreign DNA is injected in all its cell. So option C is the correct answer. Next question is, in 5 kingdom system, the main basis of classification is structure of nucleus, mode of nutrition, structure of cell wall, and asexual reproduction. Now we know that 5 kingdom classification is a mode of classification which is based on following criteria like complexity of cell wall, complexity of body structure, mode of nutrition, ecological lifestyle, and phylogenetic. So option B is the correct answer, that is mode of nutrition. So please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel so that we can bring more videos for your revision of NEET 2021 to 2023.